At least 5 people have died in New York after a huge storm dumped large amounts of snow on the northern U.S. Buffalo bore the brunt with 5 feet, 1.5 meters, of snow, but temperatures across all 50 U.S. states plummeted to freezing. Forecasters predict an additional 2 feet could fall on the region as residents struggle to dig out. One New York man was found dead in his car buried in a snowdrift, while at least 3 others died from heart attacks while shoveling snow. "We have tried to get out of our house, and we are lucky to be able to shovel so we can open the door." A women's basketball team from Niagara University was left stranded on a roadway for hours before being picked up by authorities. New York Governor Andrew Cuomo deployed more than 100 National Guard members to assist in clearing roads and removing abandoned vehicles. Train service in parts of New York State was suspended on Wednesday, while long stretches of highway near Buffalo were shuttered. One New York resident died while pinned beneath a car buried in snow, while 2 other weather-related deaths. 3 firefighters in Indiana were also injured when a trailer struck a fire truck on a snow-covered roadway. Amid the weather, the State University of New York Buffalo announced it planned to go ahead with a nationally televised football game on Wednesday evening, although all pre-game activities were cancelled. Please subscribe the video.